Hey, it's Danish from Local Niche Marketing. If your leads are getting worse, then your pixel may be learning the wrong audiences. Now, in this video, we are going to see what kind of problems your advertisement journey has and how you can fix those problems. The problem is when you are advertising on Meta, we are specifically talking about Meta Pixel or Meta advertisement, right? So you are advertising and then you see that the quality of the lead that was generated a month ago was way much better than the leads that are coming in for this month, right? So that is because your pixel is trained to do that on the first place. You need to retrain your pixel in order to get better results. Now, in this video, we are going to see what kind of problems are there, right? So, reality shift is that your pixel becomes what you train it on, meaning that if you are feeding your pixel with wrong signals, then definitely your lead quality will be in between good and bad. And that's why you're seeing inconsistent or unstable results. Now, problem number one is that you're optimizing for the basic lead event or the first event, right? The meaning is that you are using two-step funnel in which there is a landing page and then there is a thank you page. Now, the problem is that everyone who enters your system is a lead, right? And you're optimizing your campaigns for this particular event. Now, once everybody becomes lead, you're telling the algorithm to optimize, give me more like these people who are actually entering into my system. And this can become costly. This is resulting into unstable results. Now, how to fix it, right? I mean, two-step funnel is fine. If you're doing it, great. Just identify like what kind of things that are pulling the leads out. For example, if there are some financial constraints that the leads are having, then you can let the people know on your funnel that it can include a decent amount of investment for this service. Are you able to pay? Things like that. You can get the tonality adjusted according to your business needs. However, this is how you're going to fix that, right? If that is not the case, you can still add a survey. Instead of using a form, you can start using a survey on your main landing page, and it will have all the qualifying questions in it, right? This is how you are going to fix your optimizing for your leads only, right? So no lead qualification. We have already talked about that, right? Is you need to have a lead qualification inside your funnel, or if you are not using it inside your funnel, then it can come under the umbrella of post lead experience as well, that you can start using some AI bots to qualify better leads in order to save your time and resources. You can use bots or you can add a funnel step inside your current funnel to add a survey that will be used as a qualification agent. Now, this survey is going to filter leads through qualifying questions and some hard disqualifiers. Now, disqualifiers are, there are certain treatments, or for example, if you talk about chiropractic industry, so if someone has done a back surgery, it will not be a patient for spinal decompression. So that is a hard disqualifier. So you need to identify what are the disqualifiers for your business, and you can put them in the first two, three questions. That can save your time and the lead's time as well. If they are disqualified, they are disqualified from the question number one. So that is how you can fix it. Then there is the weak conversion signals. I can't emphasize more on having deeper funnel optimization signals for your advertisement in Meta, because this is how you're going to train your pixel to do a better job. If you are just using lead event, then you are going to see unstable results. However, if you start creating those surveys, booking pages, there are some adding some payment steps. So all of these events on particular funnel steps are going to give you better qualified leads as compared to the lead that is just filling out the form, right, on the funnel page. So you need to start shifting your optimization journey from lead events to deeper funnel events, such as booked an appointment or paid the initial consultation fee or things like that. Now, what will happen? You're definitely going to see increase in cost per acquisition, but the lesser the leads are, the higher the quality will be. By going through the people who are submitting their details, are completing their full funnel steps, will be way more qualified than the person who is just filling the form on the first landing page. Now, fourth one is that no offline conversion feedback. What it is that you need to send data back to the advertisement algorithm or the pixel that, hey, look, now in terms of lead event, it's a web-based event, right? The meta, or we need to train our pixel with our CRM events, right? Now, Meta's work has been done, right? They have generated us the lead, that's it, right? But they also need to know that what happened with the lead that was generated on this day, for example, right? So after 14 or 15 days, however long your sales process or cycle is, you need to send the CRM that data back to the algorithm. Hey, we got this many leads, and we this many leads booked an appointment, right? And then this many leads actually converted with the actual value or monetary value, right? So this is going to optimize your campaigns way better than um, your normal lead events or web-based events, right? If you have a lot of budget, then if you are doing a lot of conversions, which is that a lot of people are converting inside your CRM, what you can do is that you can also optimize your campaigns for those CRM events, right? But if your account is newer and you have not start sending the CRM events, then it is not a recommended way. Duplicate or noisy events. I'll tell you that recently I was auditing a client account, right? And I saw that, um, there were two page views when I checked Metapixel Helper, and I came to realize that how much faulty that can become when you are running any campaigns. For example, on a single page view, it was giving us two page views. And once the former agency was doing a event, so there were two events firing on this particular website, right? We fixed it. However, we did not get the access of Google Tag Manager, but we fixed it by using custom conversions, right? So the point here is that you need to be very diligent in setting up your conversion tracking the right way. Otherwise, you are going to see bad results, right? Because you are not tracking the proper conversions. And because of this, you're going to have bad results. The way to do is you can either do the tracking through event setup tool, or if you know Google Tag Manager or other things that you can do, then you can start using them, and this is going to give you better results. Now, if you do all of these fixes, then you are going to see a stable return on investment, better quality patients or leads, and more stable scaling. If you have any questions, you can comment down on this video. And if you need better quality results with meta advertisement for local lead generation, you can contact us. Everything will be mentioned in the description of the video. Until the next video, bye bye.